back to my garage. I am Duff, live in the middle of nowhere, and today I'm gonna work back on the engine. Okay, so I did take off the oil pump and the fuel pump, so all I'm doing is putting like a plate of steel there and a new gasket, because I'm not using the mechanical fuel pump anymore. I'll be using electric. I did go and pick up, here it is, the harmonic balancer socket. These are like 12 bucks for a deep socket. It's a 15/16. Perfect, you know? Or 20 bucks for a set. Yeah, it's a crappy tire, but you know what? I'm okay with that. But I did notice I have a lot of slack in this here. I don't even know if you can see that. Let's bring the light down. So, in here, see if I could rotate this with the camera. Okay, no. There we go. Got the light held. Don't move. So hard to maneuver. See? Like, it's got a lot of slack. The amount of slack, when it goes from loose full to full tension. Oh, that's quite a bit. That's almost a 16th of a turn. Ah! Just putting the light back up. Just wrap it up there so it's out of the way. But I'll take that off. I'm going to try to take everything I can off this. Little timing piece that goes on here. I don't know how or what it goes on for. Oh, there it is. Timing grooves. Alright. I don't know what else I'm supposed to do. I just, you know what? Maybe I don't have to take off the, oh wait, I do, because crankshaft be gone. So I'm going to get on. Take crankshaft out. I'm going to try to clean it up as much as possible, and I'm going to try to paint it. I decided I'm going with a gloss black, an engine enamel, because it's going with what I'm doing right now. So like blue, black, you know, because I got that. The intake as black, heads is blue, engine is black, oil pan is blue, but then I have those chrome exhaust manifolds, which might go black with the wraps. But let's just move to the next step. This is where I'm at right now. So I took the timing cover off, all other shit. Like you can see the pile of dirt that's in between the shit. So the timing cover here. Problem is, the little bolt that's for the outside of the timing. Let's see if I can grab it without fucking dropping everything. It's right there. I kind of broke it off, but I know where it goes, so I'm not too worried. And it was just 4 smaller bolts. To take out that harmonic balancer, it was the 5/16. But I had to put the flywheel on and 2 bolts. And then I held a fucking head bolt. Give me a second, just grabbing it. And I put it in through this big hole here and locked it on the flat part to the intake deck. And just, it came off. But I didn't use my ratchet, my electric ratchet there. No, I had to use the power bar because it's fucking on tight, right? The other thing is now, there, that is centered. So I know this up, this down, that is timing on. But look at the fucking slack I have. Is that normal? To have that much slack? Let's see, how much can I turn? That's quite a bit. Maybe I didn't even pick up a timing chain. Well, I don't care for this dirt shit on here. But I do need this pin because the new one didn't come with it. This is where the hole is there for it. So I need to take the pin out. First things first, take off the timing chain. Oh, shit. Really sucks. I'm just gonna get right into it. So I got it out. But look what I had to do. Fucking nightmare just to get this little piece out. And because I can't find it. I looked online and you good luck. My new one was supposed to have one with it, but I did hit a little, but it doesn't matter too much on the tips. Like I have the belt sander there, I'll just give it a little couple of rubs just to flush it all up. But obviously you can't use this again, but it's toast for what I need. I could probably melt it down and use it for something else. Somebody would probably freaking out, oh my god, you wasted a fucking crock shaft that I could have fucking redid that, blah blah blah. You know what, fuck you, man. I need this in here, and I need this rebuilt. Because more and more I keep separating these parts out, more and more of these are going to rust up like those fucking lifters. Those are brand new. Yeah, so... Or are they? No. The lifters are not brand new. The rockers are brand new, but still. Everything is going to start rusting up the more I play with this and don't have to get this rebuilt. You know, that's what I'm trying to fucking do. Can't let it sit. Because, you know, I can only do so much, but... I gotta put this back together and then cover it up. So also I gotta clean this all down and paint it as much as possible. And yeah, I'm going black. Okay, crankshaft's out. It's there. So I've got main seals. I've got parts coming in. I brought in the Dremel because I'm gonna do some cleaning, because that's one thing I really want to get on is just get it painted so that way it's preserved. Because the backside I don't have to worry about anything. I just got to worry about the top stuff. So I'll just eventually just tape it all off, like, and get it ready. But Dremel it all out. I'm gonna put it like a fucking towel over that, just so it doesn't go inside so much. But I gotta wash it out because a lot of shit got on the camshaft. So like you can see the crud. And that's where we're gonna start next. Okay, I just soaked this thing from, well, head to toe, top to bottom with this thing. I took off the gaskets, the other one's over there. But it is literally a bare block except for frost plugs and the camshaft. I had to soak the camshaft as well. Let's give it a couple more turns just to get all this shit off it. Because, yeah, it needed it. Where's the rag? So that's where I'm gonna leave it at, because like I literally can't do anything else. Here, maybe I can. Let's see what happens. Alright. Just let it flip back over. There we go. Put the pin back in. Alright, so it's a lot cleaner because I didn't want any shit on those blocks, but you can see, it looks like there's, feels like there's wear. So you can see how there's, looks like there's a burn in between, so it's not completely wearing right. So they're needing a little love. But I'm gonna let that dry. I will cover it, obviously, because dirt will still get in it. Trying to hang up my light. You know what? There. Put it down. I'll just unplug it. So that's me. It's another day. Oh, another bolt. Gotta make sure you don't lose those things. Now I'm gonna be putting this back together. I thought I was gonna put this in, but not today. That is another day. Gets parts cleaned and do stuff. I gotta get a light up there. Maybe I'll take the one out of the basement and put it in up here. I like the garage more than I like the basement, really. So, as it is. Duff is sitting out there. Was. Okay, come in, sit your box. Yeah, it's supper time, right, Duff? Okay, we're gonna go eat. Like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think. Also, that job I did to the fucking crankshaft, because it's fucked. I don't care. I have no use for it. I'll never use it again. It's not like, oh, well, I'm going to use it as a spare. What are you going to use a crankshaft with a spun bearing that's ground down over almost 2 millimeters? No good. But like always, have a good one.